Circling back to page 9. Doing trinomial multiplication. So it's the same thing we did yesterday. Again, there's two ways to do these, so I will do them on the first two. You can do your distributive property, but in this case, you would take this 3 times and this 3 times. All right, so if I do that, 2x times 3x squared is 6x cubed. 2x times negative 2x is negative 4x squared. 2x times 6 is 12x. And then now I do the positive 1. Well, anything multiplied by 1 is just itself. So I have my 3x squared minus 2x plus 6. That's just 1 times 3x squared, 1 times, 1 times. Okay, now I need to combine some like terms. Those are like terms. These are like terms. 6x cubed. Now it's a negative 4x squared and a positive 3x squared, which the difference of those is just subtracting x squared. Negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. Then here, 12x minus 2x is 10x plus 6. So I have a cubic polynomial with 4 terms, if we were classifying this, which will be on your quiz. The other way to do this is to break apart this first term and place it in front. And do this separately. And then this negative 2 here. This is the preferred way to do it because it's going to fall into place with what we start next week. So x times 4x squared, everything's just going to go up by 1 degree. So you have 4x cubed. X times x is x squared. And negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Over here, I have negative 8x squared minus 2x, because I'm taking this negative 2 and multiplying it through. And negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. Combine my x squareds. Combine my x's. And I'm left with 4x cubed minus 7x squared minus 4x plus 4. That is the way to do it, so that's how I'm going to do this next one. It's the best way because, again, of what we're doing next week. So negative y squared plus y minus 2, and then I take my 4 and do this negative y squared plus y minus 2. Okay, y times negative y squared is negative y cubed plus y squared, y times y, and then y times negative 2 is negative 2y. Over here I have negative 4y squared because I have 4 times negative y squared. 4 times y is a positive 4y, and 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. Combine your y squareds, combine your y's. So I have negative y cubed. And I have negative 3y squared. I have a positive 2y. And then minus 8. So that's just combining all of our like terms. Negative 2y plus 4y is positive 2y. Okay, we're going to do one of these, but I'm going to make one change to this problem. I'm going to make this a negative. And then you won't have to worry about this one on page 10 because really they're the same thing. Here's my comment on these tables. If a table works for you, great, do it. But really, the preferred method is the one we previously did. So if you have a negative, that just goes in front here. Notice how everything else was positive, so You don't have to write the positives there, but if it helps you, you could. So now I'm just going to multiply whatever two things intersect. So 3b squared times b is 3b cubed. 3b squared times 2, 6b squared. Negative 5b, remember I changed the problem. Negative 5b times b, negative 5b squared. Negative 5b times 2, negative 10b. 7 times b, 7b. 7 times 2, 14. So again, these two, typically the kitty corner ones, if you write these in standard form order, are going to batch up. So I have my 3b squared. 6 and negative 5 combine to get 1. So you just have b squared there. And then my negative 10 and 7 combine to get negative 3b. And then I add my 14 to end. We've already done 7 through 16. So your assignment picks up right here on 17. And that's on page 12. It goes all the way through 23. So again, not a ton of problems. 17 to 23. And that's on pages 12 and 13. My comment here on this page, a couple of them start to get a little bit story problem-ish. You need to take a good educated guess on these. Okay, can't write, I don't know, can't leave it blank, things like that, or it's going to affect your grade. Just take a good educated guess. Look at this here, look for the pattern, explain it, and this is important leading for some stuff next week. So that's where we're ending today. So another shorter day, 7-minute video. Homework should only take you probably 10 or 15 minutes at the most, and get all 3 pages uploaded online. Have a good day.